Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you advanced title editing options. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Go to Titles, choose a title of your choice. Click on it and go to Advanced. We have the standard option of changing the font, the size and the thickness. We can change the positioning of the title. We can also choose gradient fill to mix two colors. We also have an image fill. Then we have some effects on the title. And we can add customized effects with adjusting the opacity and the blur. The next option is the text border. We can choose the border color, the opacity and the blur. The thickness too. We have option to unselect the text fill and leave it just on the text border. Then we have the text shadow option. Here, except the color opacity and blur, we can choose a type of shadow we can use. Also, we can adjust the distance. And finally, we can save the title we have edited as custom. And give it a name. That's it for this video, guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.